Take the message, don't take the messenger. Receive the message, nigga, do okay. So many marriages have been saved through this page. Just 3 days ago, I treated a case of a woman and with lapses in their discussion. I summoned courage and I told the girl, call your husband. I can't name my life. The girl, all dear, settled, everything was resolved. The girl came back and gave testimony. Able guy, man, I tell every with your experience, open your page and tell people about your life. I'm not here to drag with you. Some comments I read, I just laugh. Nobody is dragging with you. A king of guy. My experience is enough to help a lot of people. Use your experience and help a lot of people. This is what I want to do. This is the impact in creates. Can we more voices? If we have more voices in our society today, if we have less people being the perpetrators, being the predators, I can win in fact, I can breed a good sense of you, human beings. If we girl, it draws so about your tomorrow because every person in a approach and they take advantage of you. This page is for you. Sometimes all you needed was a call. Sometimes all you needed was somebody to tap your back and tell you, babe, it's gonna be okay. Sometimes all you needed is that I love you, that comes from a good heart. Sometimes all you needed is a hug. You want another hug. You come first things. Retain your value as a girl. You wake up in the morning, you feel so lonely. Retain your value as a guy. You got one speed, you lose 7 million, lose all your money, you can lose your wealth. In on a business, in a business, but you are not okay, you are not satisfied. The message have not been replied, they are replying again. The people are not responding you. And you felt that your joy is with somebody else. Nobody hold your joy. Emulate your joy. Build contact, even among your contacts. Build contact and know how when to draw a line. Let a business be a business. Let everything you do be professional. When it comes to socializing, where your boundaries. So many of you people have boundaries. Must you go get into a certain thing for you to get some ideas in the extraordinary? No. Those things people have been hiding for you, I'm giving it to you for free. Fear is the most thing temper with every human being. The fear of uncertainty, the fear of tomorrow. I don't know how tomorrow is gonna be. That unfinished business you have, you don't know how to confront it from tomorrow. The people have rejected you because you don't feel like you belong. In people let you down. It will only take a ticket, just a breaking point for you. Once you realize your goal, everybody will come crawling back to you. Don't be enticed when people are praising you. So many of you have gotten money today, but you have so much overwhelmed. And the people bring you out and they take you away. You disappear for nothing because you felt like all is good. All is not good. All here now, but every time. Always know that that all is not good. Life is not okay. The sober every day. I love men that are sober. Somebody will have water of alcohol and say, if you can overcome it, you will see the gain. Be willing to work hard. Be willing to work hard. When they lock my friends, they were laughing at me. I tell you today, some of my friends, with all due respect, I'm the one that gave them the contact to travel out. The people that I left school and they finished school. I left school in second year of my second semester. I left school. Those people, after they track me down and they want to follow me to go where I was going, they begin to locate me. They were coming to my own destination. How come? Place your value so high that people will imagine that you are so proud of yourself. No, it's not proud. It's you realizing who you are. Things, words, there are power in the mouth. What you tell yourself is a reflection of who you are. Know when somebody is abusing you as a man. Chief, thank you so much. Chief, thank you so much. Yes. Dalo, Chief. I respect. Malumba, somebody may make abuse, even in that circle of friendship in a main verse. Chief, give that Kalia. Hey, my man, Dalo. Chief, with all due respect, Adam Lawyer. Yes. As him can better nobly life. You know, in my eye, just kind of need that OT. Yes. The people are hunger for truth. Everybody are hunger. People are in their down moment as I'm talking to you. I receive a lot of calls and I shed tears. I'm with the more encouragement to come up here and just hold your hand and tell you can make it tomorrow. Yes, you can make it. No, I'm government college, Bulu Shishi from Obo Shishi. I'm government college, Bulu Nishi Bulu Be, Jene Konwa Jenele. I was hawking in the market. I'm a banana Nimadia before in J school, as early as in J supply, Njawaya Mbele. Mbaya Mbele Natapa dress ya up. Pula Atolo na Puna, the teachers' quarters in a government college. At the time, I'm not at school, just too. At Naga, Atolaya, Nesum Nasu. Thank you, Chief. Thank you so much. Atolo Mazili Monyongo from secondary school. I was the smallest in class. And when if we've been man on a class in general, I've always wanted to do things with people come where I live, and I learned a lot. At the age of 18 years, my friends were 30 years old. 20-something years older than me, I was gaining a lot. Yes. I was never shy to help my mother when my mother was selling food. When my mother nele banana, nele plantain, I was never shy. I was helping my mother. I know so many guys that tell me, guy, what for you? Where are they? Most of them are gone today. I'm telling you. Don't live fake life. Who are you trying to please? Don't live fake life. People now no boda. Abiaban office office oga a safe photo post engineer. Who does you engineer for Israel? Engineering. I saw a lot of fake things. Online. All your money is what you are spending. The first time in the club, a bouncer called me and tell me, my guy, one bottle is $10. One bottle is $10. And there is no way you cannot spend $100. Remember, you came from home. It's not that Namama know this thing, but I needed to hear it again. Sometimes you know these things, but you need to hear it again. Or click it back. Once I was in the club in this country and never touched the club again. Yeah, before 2021, August 20th, just 2021. If I did it, you can do it. Yes. I lost friends till today. I lost a lot of circle of friends. I lost people that are my socializing mates. People now know with every evening. I lost a lot of them because we are no more in the same shoes. We are no more the same. We cannot reason alike because I'm working a phone head high. Once you are high, I cannot comprehend. Things in a be out of line, but he believe we need a quit here. I remember one day I went to a studio. The producer now saying, when is it possible for you to make the best song? Some of you people are more than native. When say not the high, or no, it's only for you that those things sound as a meaningful thing. You need to work with somebody reasonable. Sometimes you do something sober, you will know your craft. You have a talent. But if you go look the wrong people, they will ruin that talent. You will not find it. Your ability to find who you are. I spoke to a lady who was saying, no name ice cream, and no name cake. But no name problem with finding love. When I say, have you found who you are? Open up for me. No, with all due respect, with no name, I'm not giving any reference, but every case is a case study for another person. Because people are passing similar things. One thing connects all of us. We share from the same pain. Everybody share from the same pain. Just different faces, different names, different location, but the same thing nature could be the same thing nature can. We all want joy. We all want love. We all want peace. We all want fulfillment. We all want to be successful. Everybody desire for these things. So in your own journey to get it, you might have similar experience with another person. That's why your story means a lot to me. The girl was saying that I was dating a guy, I took all my money and I was giving this guy. We say you have not found who you are. How many years did you spend with this guy? 7 good years. And the guy blocked her. We say, don't cry no more. For God have answered your prayer. From today, begin to rejoice. Any person who open a block with you today is not your person. Know when the journey is over. Once that block button hits, don't unblock again. I was in a certain situation sometime long ago. I will block somebody and I will unblock. I will block and go and check their status. Mumu love. Nonsense. You are tying down yourself. If you look around, there are many options for you all over the world. Have you ever traveled to the Caribbean? Have you ever visited South Africa? Have you ever gone to Mauritius? Have you ever gone to the USA? Have you ever gone to Asia? Have you ever left that your comfort zone? When I left Oka certain time, I went to Benin. I was selling something and somebody fell in love with me. There is love for you depending on your location that you are operating from. Sometimes your environment is keeping you down. Be careful. Sometimes your environment is what is holding you down. Know when a new door is opening for you, the old one is trying to close, you are holding it on. Why are you holding it on? I want to fight for this love. Who are you fighting for? Love is not supposed to, you don't need to fight for love. What is yours is yours. So, when many issues, I want to treat, I want to treat about our justice system. Because most of our young men on a hard way, on a fast lane. I want to talk about justice system. I want to talk about our own lifestyle, the lifestyle I live every day. Our young girls are on the wrong track. I want to talk about those things. But the most intimate, touching things, entanglement with the wrong people, it touches my heart. And when personal issue with this particular one, mind who you are giving your love to. If the person does not appreciate that love, you will be forever abused. You're a fine girl, you're a fine guy. You don't see anything that makes you unique anymore. All you see is that your money can get you what is a lie. For a moment, you feel that your money can get it. Ask yourself, you without that money, do I have any value? I made a comment, I made a post. So many people are writing there. If I have money, I will do this, I will do that, I will do that. Have you ever seen a man lying down on the bed that have all the money but he cannot talk? Have you ever seen a man that have all the money in the world but he cannot move? Have you ever seen somebody with all the money but he's dried inside? He has been given 14 days to live. How do you make peace with yourself? Money is very, very important, but money is not all. I've seen men that left money and died. I've seen people that have left money. I do not prioritize money today. Call me for any type of business. I will never do that business with you. Call me for business, I will never do it. I'm contented with what I have. Jealous. How can you rate me? With all your billions, when I talk, my talk is your confusion to that your account balance. Open neku na cause only the confusion na your medulla bra emaze go anywhere. In a that money all the empty. Your money without wisdom is nothing, because all you do is just parade yourself as a money holder. And people that cringe around you are all fake love. Anything happen to you, boy, go. I have a guy, my friend, my brother, somebody very close to me. In South Africa, once he passed away, the family was dragging all his money, even at the burial. Have a legacy for yourself today as a woman that you are. The day that I will make a post, I will talk about DNA, I will talk about women. Women, don't be biased when you hear stories about yourself. Don't be biased. If you're a man, don't be biased when you see the downfall of what we are causing. The downfall we are contributing in our society today, our contribution to all the ups and downs that is going on. Don't be biased. Accept the case of what it is for. Only the purpose is not for you. If you feel guilty, that means my message is hitting. You receive it well when you are reacting negatively to what I'm saying. You say, oh, this is your opinion, this is your perspective. I've been there, I've seen different opinions. What can you tell me? Tell me the street you not go before. Let me tell you my own. Can I make an inquiry? Can I make a contribution? Can I manage street in Kegi? Yes. And Ogomna the most hardest place in life. Life have taken me there. A choice of a young boy. The day that I left my city to another city, nobody carried me. I did hiking, hiking on the way. A truck carried me. I don't want to leave. I chose with that day. I made a decision. The first place in Mbata, Alabama, room, Alabama. My mouth cannot say it here. Even here with all my uncensored. For the first day in La Pulebensi, we got another city. Where Pate only receive the guy letter Omeche my first chairman. Mbata an apartment, for there, I will never say it. And when this him say it, me you have to know a man that have gone through many journeys. I want you to find it easy for yourself. It's not easy. Your own portion now is to make critical thinking decisions. Make a critical decision for yourself. You're not supposed to be a victim anymore. Withdraw yourself from that victimhood. Withdraw yourself. Who are you pleasing? Everybody you are pleasing will disappear within a twinkle of an eye. Today. If you walk on crutches and the doctor say you cannot have another leg, you walk on crutches, nobody will bring it. Nobody will help you to go to market and buy food for you. Any person will do it if you pay them. And once your money go, nobody will come again. In our new Shinawagi today, nobody will be there to clean you. The least underestimated person around you will be the one to clean you up. Know the people that love you. Man, they love, okay. I was in my down moment. I know my down moment, and I asked myself, how was it that I find myself here? Who are my friends? And I saw that I didn't have friends. I thank God and say, God, thank you for showing me this. So many of you people are not thankful that you don't have good friends. Not having good friends is something that is going to make you motivated. But if you have that one good friend, it cherishes him like a gold. It belongs in a club. And when friends, my guys, my man, Mugu. I pray that you will never find yourself in your down moment. I bet you. People will do contribution with arguments. Agakon will merely give contribution, and that contribution cannot go circular or manga for 2 years, it can only go 1 year cycle. People will get tired because you have become a liability. In Amunwa today, Kedi, how do you want to bring up these children when you know less about life? What are you going to give? You cannot give what you don't have. Take my page, Golu page. We have come here to stay. Ngwagi Ghana YouTube, there is why. Very soon, Ghana ga live on all platforms the same time. Naga life forever. A lot of people need to. People are hungry for the truth. The day make question and answer, you saw people coming up and telling their true life stories. And you got a solution. And people were so happy. Our purpose on this page is to liberate a lot of people. Liberate you from your fear. Every human being will fear. The fear of uncertainty. I am not certain that this relationship, I've been in it, I've not defined what this relationship is. I'm doing business, but I don't have enough money. People are manipulating me. Somebody is using me. I have 10 friends. I cannot get 1 million naira to support what I'm doing. My car is no more. I want to sell my car. Nobody wants to help me. The people they know that you are in a desperate situation. Yes. I'm on the FB. I'm on Ebony with this name, Bishop Israel TV. Share these things to your children. Share these things to your father. Share it to your wife. Share it to your husband.
Excuse me.
Sorry?
Ball is there, ball.
Bud? What do you do?
Alright, something.
You want to go?
No.
You want to sit here?
No.
Okay. What are you waiting for? Stop arguing with the real things about life. Thank you for the subscription. Always subscribe on my YouTube. Thank you so much. This YouTube I clock will go 20,000 here. Why haven't we gotten to 1,000 on YouTube? Because we are holding ourselves. The level of motivation with the little things from you people. You people are supposed to be motivated more than me with Yaina here. Somebody with problem with his girlfriend or just a video reflecting on his life or just on a post here and status the girl na. Yes. A woman how many of my husband video more than the in church. She gave it up all. Yes. Or find that courage when she have no reason to find courage. What you despise, you can never appreciate it. If you come to this page and out of jealousy and envy, you despise who is speaking, you leave the message, you will never use it for well. So it will never go well for you. Jump it. Even message the contrary to your belief, jump it, you will get the one that you need. That's why I'm versatile. The knowledge is versatile enough to accommodate everybody, irrespective of your belief. But when you want to come to know me, my personal life, I will tell you who I am. It's not about me, it's about the message. And I give God glory for this wisdom, for the revelation, and for the boldness to even summon the courage to come to share these things with you people. It has been hidden from men for a very long time. And none of my friends from the past can believe that I will be so much bold to confront this reality. They know me for who I am. It's not a beach now. Nobody was surprised. Nobody is surprised. China had no surprise. India, South Africa had no surprise. People in Nigeria had no surprise. Everybody that know me, that have encountered me, they are not surprised. This has always been me. Within the little circle of people more and more associate, I've always been unspoken. Let truth prevail. And I've always learned from a hard way. When on street can name a business with some guys, I am along with some guys name a business, and what one I can deal with is something before Mbago tenu. And then I name a business, teacher go take advantage of my absence. But without them knowing that by the time Ghana, God have blessed me so mightily. So me coming up, seeing that they already betrayed me, I have to hold everything back. Young Kawala, so many people will try to understand it. I don't know if I should repeat it. Bish. Betrayal. Is it a good judgment? Are them so good? My judgment on the okay. I'm a me here with the people. Can you with here? Before now, but people take advantage of my absence. But everything was, in fact, my life was blessed. Am I going to now show these people how blessed I am? They have taken the little, small kahawel, but in with the mighty ones. People are so greedy. Yes. Mwempempe as early as Mwempempe, somebody near me go. I did a transaction with somebody at an early age. How did I know that this person will blackmail? In fact, now this person got double cross on my way. I was going. The guy said that don't matter about him Nilu. With that thing, bring that in. I didn't know. Chichi okay. The guy is like about a zedia. Now she can't even name kedi. Ha! I know how to make up for 4 days. Mputa kwa njedia mwaya ne lakala. Egom dino kula ajadidia. People will betray you. You have to be ready. So many things in our corner take a story, a bit of fallacy or fact. I'm scared to say them because many people will just grab it and go and write it. In this kit, we get there. If they go to my story, you cannot know in one of the substance. A man named Gabasidina, a water layer because you were not there. Yes. The same person may go the same person is in the Madikaite. But before, immediately now put on a gate, come an instant no. This thing now back when the 14 good years. I learned not to trust people at an early stage. Even the time on the last year, people still show me that you cannot trust everybody. You have to trust someone. But let them end that trust. Sometimes you get money, you're so overwhelmed, you name a party, everybody so much. A lot of people have just used that way and lose their life. Now, one like name away beach, now I'm on way beach. Or talking to again 1 year about Yige, or taking a record, the Malanati, in a recorder. Why ye me gunu nka why ye me ebele me melu nwa ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke ejidikwe n'ọnụ ba aka ịnọla ebe a na-aṅụ mmanya imepe ọnụ na-akọ. The tricky ones out of all of you eti record and record unu. See life from this perspective, nigga, is successful. I love him, I trust him. How can you love the same person you love? Okay, trust. Does he respect or reciprocate good love? No. Or trust? No. You are always the one on speed. I love her, I trust her. At equal, even working today in our society, equal. Yes. When I was small, can you the phone as early as my pempe? My phone put the guy took my phone. When I got to South Africa, the same guy we saw, the day that I want to patronize his wife, I reminded him. Life is a circle. Be very, very careful. I'm a birthday party. You lose your mindset. You must even keep your everything, keep your circle close. On my wedding day, my wedding, I'm actually more than 50 guests. I don't need that money, guy. I'm Jidega, Jewellega, and Jago telling the Boni. I'm not presuming my mindset. I'll know everybody. I'm contented with EMA present and then I've been on my occasion. I don't want crowd. I want few people for my turn. I don't want paparazzi because all are fake. Fake life have ruined a lot of people. And I be maybe come where be gave you. I be na maybe na mala be gave you. Yes. I'm a jelly madi we ke we jelly me we mo piwe. What's my better pika? Your father only 1 million. Your father no paint no. I put every bube maka your father. Your father never enjoy 1 million naira. Who is fooling who? Your sister tagidela no. Olumbo we butego and I go and I leave and the mother and leave a butego, 5 million. Why your sister can't we make about paint no. It wicked. Now, for how different my mentality be among just from you, a lot of you people. My friends today, my people today, you have to be different. Think like me. It's not a wrong thing to think outside the box. Don't go with the majority. People get use cultural blackmail, where heat, cultural sentiment. Agabia through traditional sentiment is a lie. Your tradition cannot help you at the point of your death. No culture can help you at the point of your dying. Before now, for people are planning to go, there is a man lying down now, every month. One day, can go somebody name him transfer? No, give that man that money, engineer. This is my legacy. Like that. I don't need him to take me. People the wicked. Mudo never see Diego. Can we Brazilian remedy burial? Or Mube man plan of a go burial. Watch your burial again, that man. Oh God, Diego be. But this man now, so phone and Vici and Sheba one. So one person they take care of him. But take got for man, he got for dignity. See that day I gave me fear. Your mother your mother only 1 million na account here before one. When your mother more, and now about painting no. And a guevi, and now go ndi egu ni nebia. And now they go. You negotiate your friends aqua uniform. You mugu. I will leave a legacy in this life and I will tell my children the day that I will depart from this life. I don't need your money. Go and give your father that money. Go and give your mother that money. I don't need it. Alaba people, messaging people. Before. Nobody have ever said this thing before. Nobody. How dare you say it? It's our culture to do burial. It's our culture. People are on hospital bed. People are in critical condition. People are to go on over. You may go call a build over, go community of friends, and they got barely give it. You will take a country number. Fake. All of you are fake, fake, fake. Let me give him a higher befitting burial. In a young way befitting burial, or one in a befitting burial. The only burial in a more pride, he will go to know 1 year. Pride have destroyed a lot of people. Hey, one day, if your mother did not live in that house in a why not dress that house? Fake. All of you people fake. Fake people. I don't know how. I can't keep these things. It's boiling my heart. Boiling my mind. The level of fake life, everybody, both men and women. Somebody now 18 million, God forbid. Why are you calling that amount of money? You use all those money, give away money. Me knowing, remembering this person ain't know this type of money no, it's a lie. Your mother now your mother now granite I don't go those here for 6 months. We make a plan. We print a card. We make dignitaries. We dress the best apathy can go to. In the weekend. Even a page you block you can never be here and you will not hear the truth. Oh my God, they're uncensored. Everything fake. Whatever you cannot give somebody more than do all more in with you be the most fake person know why. What the best uniform? When you're going to acquire the highest uniform. That woman never experienced that thing before. Most of the people, when their mom will die, when their father will die, go to the JJK that account balance. Account balance our 100,000 naira. In Azab and in Azab, what is the account balance of your parents? They benefiting life in Elia, each in a benefiting burial. A bebele lawyer open a pile photo Davego. Wickedness of man. Now for how different I am from you people. That's why you never take this. You never take this. Okay, for this page, don't take this page for granted. A message is different from every other message. And when boss you go this message, just tag me. I will come and comment the person. People are scared to say these things. You are only showing off. A lot of people go. From a man, I tell this man, please, I need this land. Osemumba. The day this man lelana with the day 1 year why. But 1 year why in the lelana we will go near warden door. I'll continue to tell you people your manatun job me nilu. Fake life, also from head to toe, everybody. Family of 10. Father na struggle, mother na struggle. Amanle property. Property. I've never known that people ne bodo tego we me burial. People ne bodo tego we me waiting. People ne bodo tego we me. Obulu ne ebu ni na ege monti na ogi kamanu echi mo onye ocha manu. Mother like 50% na my thing. No one will 50. Best apathy. Apathy you're going to carry good now. She go apathy 600,000. It could be 600,000 near that man for the first time you never done it. Ababera alone open a pali bonaka. And I want the highest money in table. Before money people are not or no befitting burial. Demons. Mugu. Show me love now that I'm alive. Not when the person is gone. Start everything you do after somebody is gone is fake, is irrelevant. Or what meaning? Nonsense. The wave. Ian not out the wave. I see from Eba, say Eba. We are still on the point. Exposing the in fact, I know expose all these fallacies, fake, everything, the structure, the wrong in our system today. In a dress, KJ something. But him no be God rodia. Na can just call fake again one. Be real. Then what even I don't think I will make it. And when something pressing something, I cannot make it. Face the consequences of not going. Let that person not come for you, no problem. Envelope. He support one way. And I mean, come on, my dear, she gave my father. Come on, man, you gave key where for them now. Njele down, Jenny, my ebele melo to my and be occasion. Here to get over to Chichava. That will make Zio Madojo jelly 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira. That is all. And my Lord, no come out from morning to night since morning. Hey, you come out white in Kuno from Nototo. Now you mark black. Mpaka 13 hours every day. Even I call Marco. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Bye. See you. Okay. Fake life. My brother, why your people say na yale mute berala? She go take bottle water ke onyo obuna na settle on onyo obuna na. Iwe la wulu nkunu, onwe iwe le melunu. People na about speed to the image berala no in debt. A guy money had been known on obodo, na pa family. To please everybody now today the guy I won't go. Was born and abide on Nozula no may so rest in peace. Honor with them. Yes. Make yourself different in your thinking. You will only know why because the culture and the norms are a push. And man, you're at the side, you got blood stress. You cannot even hide from that. You cannot maneuver. Kime can depend this way, me or you are not going need to them was independent me. It take a one years way me. It call Mutila come boyas. Me announcement na my old village. Ye me almost why ye announcement na my old village. In the village moon on TikTok about na month. My announcements. I'm not doing like you people. I don't believe in that thing afterlife. To come and show a propaganda, a fake life after somebody pass away. Show that person love Mbonya and Kanondo. Umumugu. In our body best aqua. In our body highest in the Ogu. All now the highest in the Ogu. Almost before my grandmother wore up on the highest in the Ogu. I paid her homage and walk at Dindo, spent the ego on her. When she passed away, I had a peace of mind. I said, my son, you say, yes, I'm doing this for you. And I'm China, mainly, Batabai, Kudianaka, Onakoloma, Church. My grandmother. I wish my mother is still alive today. I want my mother Nondona, Ijele Koyao. Jelly. If we a guy, enough that don't put an account to your mother. Change yearly account balance, yeah. So many of you people know, but your mother is struggling. Your mother can't able to go Maria. Man in a jelly money, you spend 500,000, spend 1 million. Then on a club, you spend 5 million. Fake life, fake. Ill up with your mother when they take care of friends. So that your mother can those friends will be alleged. So many of you people are not going to whoever come with Mpunu Yang and watch Moon Yang. In the weekend. Open the jail today. Game where you be your father also well, we be your mother also well. You don't deserve to live. Your father didn't do, your mother didn't do. In Nigeria, people even so that you deny the law of equation. You are very wicked. It mean, it wicked and bad, badder than badders. Mean. I'm a jelly them what you can be alimi. Or maybe be I maybe you can motor where Kalaka will be a question is on Yana. Mugu Maganaya critical on higher cancer. Only kidney failure. You may effort to go send Daniel Budoibo. Now, Zeno, young woman, may try go. It talk on what you will bury at your way more canker. Many of you, your parents more today. Kiwe will you wear more canker? Kiwe will you go show Budonino? Ye booze or well. All you need hegemony today. Change your mindset towards those parents. Somebody need the surgery. Ijide Diego Nantiquego, Naomi Kitiquego, Bana Sodronia, again Tipionia and war. In our body with your spirit. Your guys so for your name, maybe will go tea. In our guy, no, you're going to turn one up. If you have a voice note in a group, because turn on up for a jack now, turn on up now. A blue nose on issue, a blue nose on issue, the cable, turn on up for a jack, or you're going to Olivier Luton, go away Luton again. Get where Toliego. You will be in about one page. You will be in a book on a group. You will be in the happy name with a lot. At to go 30 million. You may be a burial. I bet the Naya Yego. The Kachakachi Shizu Budo Ibonaka. Demon! The parents that suffer for you in a Beleka Hamoki will have a shiny and a burial. Demon! Your sister may get everything, try to get everything on in a critical condition. It's only go there because he believes in they go 50-50. When you not plan the other way around, almost so that the friends will be able to here. Mugu. Me woo na zuna page ya. Page ya, light and darkness got nothing in common. In a me word woo na page ya. I said it here. Only the people that are ready to change can stay here. Only the people that are ready to open a tigo gunu charge like a batana page you will run away. Imelelo even got them no. And I bring them my David put I gave you because only nature no ya one pany the charge here. Most of you people, your parents are living in a very dirty condition. Most of you people, your parents are in village when you do not give village. Most of you people, your parents are in a somebody can pay a low taba and pay a low taba. Ono bodo ibo jes boego, pay a low taba. Or one nekono, laugh old house. Send and pia like that old house. Mugu. One nekono, tease your belegate a jabana old house. Buy cano quadia ne low taba. Celebrate me, Nana day alive. Celebrate me, Nana day alive. But rank up your heat now. Fake life, all you need them, Adatutego, na I got a jukwa mine, a guy a jukwa mine. Na Adashi came in here like this. Say, I'm going to get guys baby like this. Better leave only Jilego General, and one day I'll be Mugu, they are be. all na doors, even in na believe all na doors. If you nobody confirm more. And I do when you go obodo. That is why most of you people are man go. Bia no obodo, bia na middle is Kibo now. Bia go na Israel, bia go na Lebanon, na bia Kibo around here na. You know, you boom. If one has not got dress cha up, kabaje more na kabaje more for their family. Ye memwe. It's okay, even it's okay. Every day it's news in it. Israel, on Israel, kind of. The people that suffered for you, the people each will enrich your pocket. The gesture in a outside, in a check, you will get your back. It's an investment in a. You are doing it to get a return investment for your parents. But fire. Thank you, everybody. Because Ghana page, on YouTube, go subscribe on my page. Go and subscribe. Page I do. What is work? I want to handle fire there be a boss. Page I is work. Todaraba. Dear boy, just subscribe on Bishop Israel TV. Because open nature private counseling. Private counseling, a form for private counseling. You got to go, sure. Monagigi, Nge private counseling. Open age or private therapy. In Kenya last for 1 week, depending on the Ghanaian. Yes. And when Kememu look free, when Kega go. Yes, because in get my time, Piagi is what we need. Some of the truth now wage. Only go man suit to give but nga give the truth to fit that your situation. Yes. Nga give some of them got the hard to swallow. But everyone can give up. There are some one that we can exercise patience and work on it. Thank you guys so much. Made a lot of worry. Thank you guys. Because remember, bless everybody, don't give up, don't lose faith. There's always a hope for you. We are growing. You can see our page is growing. By the time we get to 1 million followers, everybody, it just the last and it will happen. But tragic conditions, people are powerful, people are crying, people want to hope, people lose go hope. We are going to work for ourselves. These are the people on G give my voice to. God bless you all. Stay blessed, everybody. Work hard, believe in yourself. Don't let anybody define who you are. Define who you are for yourself. Add more value to yourself. Always try your best and leave the rest for God. And know when you are being abused. Know when you are appreciated. Anybody that show you true love, reciprocate that love. Don't be a predator and also don't be a victim. Try to be in between. Don't be a perpetrator, don't be a victim. Try to be in between. See where wisdom, key when they dictate the boat. Thank you so much. And you know with the knowledge, pass this page to your loved ones. Pass this page to people that are close to you. It will help them. No matter how beautiful a girl is, or when you wanna pass through inside her. No matter how handsome a guy is, no matter how certain a family setting is, parents name will struggle how to bring up their child. Obon I'm working a face addiction, chat me up, I will give you a solution. Obon in a face addiction, chat me up, I will give you a solution. Obon in a heartbreak, in Bob and I'm working about life, God, I will give you a solution. Or pull of spiritual thing. I don't do spiritual thing. I give you direct knowledge to your own predicament, and you can wanted the solution. Obon in I find that difficult in love making and the expression of yourself. There are things that we can talk, but Obon just able a follow and like Yana member. Continue to share. Tell people about this page. Make sure you go to YouTube and subscribe. Bishop Israel TV. Thank you guys so much. See you again later this night, maybe in 2 hours, 30 minutes time. I'll be back. God bless. Bye.